So I'm gonna play football today. It's been a while. Oh my goodness. Let's get up. I don't know what's would be. My friend isn't here yet, and the camera sucks as well. Alright, let's go.
Hello everybody, I'm Vice because I muted the video and because I was talking shit to my friend. So the red shirt is my friend and the black shirt is me, and I'm not going to what do we call it, blur my face because I'm standing really far behind, and I was literally, my skin got literally so red because of the sun. I got literally a lot of tan. I don't really care about that now, but in this video I am playing football with my poor skills. I'm saying that because it felt poor, I did not have a good aim at all. My friend did have a good aim, and I got the filter on the video so you can see the video in much better quality. And also look at that ball, bruh. He shoots really well. And I was about to tell you, in the beginning I was not here because my camera sucks, and I was playing in the other corner. And yes, it's not me, okay, I was just making sure. And I hope you guys please enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Our goal is 600 subscribers. As soon as I reach 600 subscribers, I'm going to do something pretty good. I hope you guys help me reach there. My goal is to buy an iPhone till 11 Pro Max, or no, 11 Pro or 13 Mini. One of these. Just recommend me which one of should I buy, and I'm gonna buy when I'm gonna reach 600 subscribers. I'm not having any income from YouTube, but I hope that you guys would help me. Oh my god, bro, that aim is so good. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. And I'm jerking, slurting, I guess, because I'm about to sleep now. I'm really tired because this video is not from today. This is the pretty old video, around about a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I have to blur this area. Okay, bye.